Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to open up an FXChoice Broker account, a demo account. First thing you want to do is click on the link above this video. Click where it says click here to set up your broker. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page here. Then you want to put your name in. All right, put an email address in. You're going to put a password in. You're going to click the box here saying that you have read the GDP declaration. Click next. And it's going to send you, you're going to need to send a code. Country is United States, for everybody in the US or whatever country you're in, find your code. Then you're going to put a phone number. 984-989-9113. Okay. Then it's going to say get code. All right. Text has been sent to the phone. Then you got to take it. And then put the code in. Once you get this code, you put this code into this spot right here where it says confirmation code. And click next. All right. Now that he has the account open, okay, then you're going to click on open demo account. Or if we're going live, open live account, whichever account you're going. But for right now, we're doing an open demo account. Okay, you're going to, I don't want all this stuff right here. This is like news and promotional offers. I just say no, close. Then you're going to open your demo account. The account you want to open is going to be a MetaTrader 4 ECN Pro. Okay, the MT4 Pro account. All right. Then the currency, United States, is going to be US dollar. Leverage is going to be leave it 1 to 200. Initial deposit is whatever the amount you think you're going to start trading with. If you think you're going to start trading with $1,000, you put 1,000. If you think you're going to start trading with 500, put 500, because you want this demo account to be as realistic as possible. So hit open account. Okay, now the account is open. This is the account number, which is what you're going to put on the VPS. This is the password and the server. Okay, then you want to come over and you want to download the MetaTrader 4 for Windows. So I'm going to click on that. And it says your download is starting. Then you want to save it to your desktop. You want to save this to your desktop. It's downloading right now. Okay, see, it's on my desktop now. I'll go minimize the screen, and you see it right here. My FXChoice is on my desktop. Then from here, you want to right click on it and click copy, because you want to take it and install it on your VPS. Okay, you want to install it on your VPS, and I'll show you how to do. Okay, we'll do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my VPS. Once you've right clicked on it and copied it, I'm gonna log into my VPS. Okay, your VPS will come up. Then you right click and copy. Then you want to right click and click paste. And now it is on your VPS right here. And from here, you install it. All you do is double click on it, and it's going to say next. And you want to click next. I'm not going to click next on it. I'm going to hit cancel, because I've already got it installed right here. As you can see, I've already got it installed. But all you do is click next, and it will install it. It takes about 5 seconds to install it. And now you will have it. You will have it on your VPS. Then you'll open up your VPS. Once you have it open, double click it, and you have it open. I've already got my software set up on it. Okay, but that's it. That's how you install it to your VPS.